Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Mancraft engine into the Ares SDiK S1. First, take off handle guard. Take out two Allen keys located inside. Use bigger Allen key to remove screw from the trigger cover. Wobble the trigger cover and take it out. It can be a little bit stiff. Take the same Allen key and unlock the screw in front of the magazine. Take off the plastic body and put it aside. Use small Allen key and screw in all the way down small screw located on the front of the trigger. Take the foam, bend it in half and use it under your rifle to give extra space between the rifle and the table. Use the bigger Allen key and push out the bolt from the side of your rifle. Then take it out completely and put it aside. Raise the handle and push down small lever located on the side of the trigger. This will unlock the cylinder, which then you can take out completely. Put main body of the rifle aside. Unscrew the cylinder head. Take out all innards from the cylinder. Unpack spring and red Loctite. Remove screw and the manifold. Pull out pin from the engine for easy removal of the manifold. Install spring on the pin. One hole is deeper than the other. Take a closer look and note which side has a deeper hole. Install the pin inside the engine. With the slider pointing down, the shallow hole will be on the side of the handle, the longer hole will be on the opposite side of the handle. Screw in the cylinder head by the hand as much as you can. There might be a small gap between the cylinder head and the cylinder. Use the long nose pliers with secured ends to not scratch the nozzle, and screw in the cylinder head until it will be flush with the cylinder. Take the main body of the rifle and prepare it for installation of the cylinder. To install the cylinder, you will have to push down the lever located on the side of the trigger. Make sure that the slider is pointing towards the trigger. You should see a threaded hole on the side of your rifle. Unpack the bag with the red fluid. Push the fluid to the front of the bag. Take a small screw and apply red fluid on the thread. You should see nice and even cover of the red fluid on the thread. Put the small screw into the hole on the side of your rifle and secure it with a screwdriver. Flip the rifle on the other side. Take the manifold and apply the red fluid on the side of the thread. Do not put the fluid on the top of it. You can push the fluid to the front of the bag and gently tap it on the thread. If there's any fluid on the top of the manifold, wipe it clean. Install the manifold using 8mm spanner or 8mm socket. Unscrew a bolt located in the front of the trigger until it's flush with the cover of the trigger. Install back the plastic body of the rifle. Take a shorter bolt and install it in the front of the rifle. Install trigger cover. You have to hook it up under the magazine hole. Make sure it's flush with the main body of the rifle. Secure the trigger cover with the last bolt. And finally, install the handle cover. Check if the rifle is reloading. Take a control shot. Thank you for watching.